Welcome to today's video where we'll take an in-depth journey into the captivating realm of Bentley cars. From their rich history to their engineering marvels, we'll cover it all. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of luxury and craftsmanship. 1. The legacy of Bentley. Bentley, a British luxury car manufacturer, was founded in 1919 by Walter Owen Bentley, commonly known as W.O. Bentley. The brand's early success was rooted in motorsport, with Bentley cars dominating events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans during the 1920s. This legacy of performance and innovation continues to influence their vehicles to this day. 2. Exquisite design and craftsmanship. Bentley cars are renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. The design philosophy emphasizes a blend of classic elegance and modern aesthetics, resulting in cars that exude opulence and sophistication. Example: the Bentley Continental GT, a Grand Tourer, embodies this philosophy with its sweeping lines, muscular stance, and iconic matrix grille. The interior features handcrafted materials, including the finest leather and wood veneers, creating an ambience of refined luxury. 3. Unrivaled performance. Bentley is synonymous with high-performance vehicles that offer an exhilarating driving experience. Their cars strike a perfect balance between luxury and power, thanks to advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology. Example: the Bentley Flying Spur, a luxury sports sedan, boasts impressive performance figures, with options like the W12 engine delivering a stunning combination of power and smoothness. The adaptive suspension system ensures a comfortable ride without compromising on handling. 4. The power behind the machines. Bentley's range of engines is a testament to their commitment to performance. The company offers various powertrains, including gasoline, hybrid, and even plans for electric propulsion, showcasing their dedication to sustainability and innovation. Example: the Bentley Bentayga, a luxurious SUV, features a plug-in hybrid variant that combines a powerful V6 engine with an electric motor, offering both performance and efficiency. This represents Bentley's step towards a greener automotive future. 5. Customization beyond imagination. One of the hallmarks of Bentley is their bespoke customization service. Clients can personalize their cars to an extraordinary degree, from selecting unique paint colors to choosing specific interior materials and features. Example: the Mulliner division, Bentley's in-house custom workshop, creates truly one-of-a-kind vehicles. An exquisite example is the Bacala, an ultra-limited convertible with bespoke elements, showcasing the pinnacle of personalization. 6. Technological marvels. Bentley integrates state-of-the-art technology into their vehicles to enhance both driving and passenger experiences. From advanced infotainment systems to cutting-edge driver assistance features, Bentley keeps pace with modern automotive innovation. Example: the Bentley Continental GT is equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, offering navigation, connectivity, and entertainment options. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure safety and convenience. 7. iconic models over the years. Over the decades, Bentley has introduced several iconic models that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. From classic beauties to modern masterpieces, each model tells a unique story of innovation and luxury. Examples: Bentley 4.5-liter, a vintage model known for its racing success and timeless design. Bentley Arnage, a symbol of British luxury and engineering excellence from the early 2000s. Bentley Mulsanne, a flagship model that represented ultimate luxury and comfort. Conclusion: from its storied past to its cutting-edge present, Bentley remains a symbol of luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. The brand's unwavering commitment to excellence has created a legacy that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts and luxury connoisseurs around the world. Whether it's the thrill of the race or the serenity of a luxurious drive, Bentley cars embody the essence of automotive artistry. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Bentley cars. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates.